get that one.
Isn't that crazy? They know what they're talking about.
Yes, they do. So whatever you can do something.
Yeah. Take that water.
I wonder if in their little doggy brain, it's like there's a source of it, and I go find it.
Yeah. And so,
It's getting more animated all the time.
I know. Well, and so that's good because so she finds a little puddle of water out there. She's going to dig till she finds the source. Here.
Here she will too.
Yeah.
And it's just water on a hot day. What a good day.
Yeah. Hey, Corky. Can you show me your face for the camera?
Mom.